Marketing is trusting someone else's abilities. As a business owner, that can be scary. You're placing your hope, your dreams, your goals, and the future of your business into a stranger's hands. The average order that comes into our small business sits right at about $2,500. That $2,500 is like the average mortgage payment. That's the average cost to put presents under the tree twice. Shoot, these days that might even get you 1 or even 2 shopping carts full of groceries. That $2,500 could get you a vacation with the family, maybe something like a cruise. My dad, Dan, handles all of our onboarding and doesn't get paid commission.
I'm happy to jump on a call with you and strategize for free. My son Justin's been with Ballpoint Marketing since 2019.
And I'll make sure that we use the best products, material, and data to get you the results that you need. My brother-in-law, Matt, basically lives on our production floor.
I'm here to make sure your marketing looks flawless and gets to the right people on time.
We're personally marketing with our own products to grow our sister companies. Let's use this one, please.
The fact that you've chosen to trust our family's expertise with your family's success isn't something that we take lightly.
Introducing new for 2025, our brand new hybrid greeting letters. The awesome thing about these is the external part is going to be just like you know and love, that is handwritten, addressed on the envelope directly to the sellers, where the inside of this letter is going to be printed using that exact same font, helping cut down on costs for you and to get more pieces of mail out for as low as 70 cents a piece. Check them out and book a call with us today.